Hi everybody, welcome to my channel today. During the summer, I decided to go in for a series of Pelleve skin tightening treatments on my neck. I had my last treatment in October, so now I'd like to share with you my results so far, as well as talk a little bit about my experience. The results will continue to evolve over the next few months, but I think I'm far enough along to give you an idea of what you can expect. I'm going to show you some before and after pictures, as well as show you a hydrating neck mask that I like to give myself as part of my maintenance routine. So if you want to know more, just keep watching. Pelleve is a radio frequency treatment used on the neck and face to tighten sagging skin. The operator uses a wand that generates heat and sends it deep below the surface of the skin to trigger collagen production. At the same time, her assistant monitors and calls out the surface temperature of the skin so that the operator knows where to direct the wand and how long to keep it there. The ideal temperature should be around 41 degrees centigrade. It shouldn't hurt. And during my third and final treatment, the esthetician, and who is also an eye doctor, she paid really close attention to this area here, and the temperature got up to 47 degrees centigrade. And it didn't hurt. My neck was red for a period of time afterwards, but there really wasn't any pain. So here's my neck. I'm going to do the old profile so you can get a better look at the before and at the after, and then I'll show you the before. Notice the indentation in this area, these dark spots here. Note if you can see them on both sides. I'll turn this way too. This is where the tightening has really been dramatic. There we go. I'm even going to bring you in closer. So this has been, let's back out, shall we? There we go. So I am so pleased with the results thus far. As I said earlier, they will continue to evolve over the next at least 2 to 3 months. At that time, I will then decide if I want to go back and have like a touch-up done. But the cost was $300 per treatment, and each treatment I did over the space of a month apart. So 3 treatments and over 3 months. Now I love pampering my neck, and it's important to keep the skin really moisturized. And I'm going to show you a little mask that I like to give myself that's designed to feed the skin and moisturize it, as well as hydrate and plump and leave it looking luminous. It's a DIY. It's real simple, so I'll just show it to you. Oh, and it's seasonally appropriate. So let's just show it to you right now. Every year at this time, I roast a pumpkin or 2 and freeze the puree in 1 or 2 cup portions to use all year long for pies, muffins, and soups. And this is what I have here, a bowl of pumpkin puree, because pumpkin is going to be the foundation of this mask. Pumpkin delivers beta-carotene, bioflavonoids, and other antioxidants to the skin. It also has alpha-hydroxy acids and fruit enzymes for a gentle exfoliation. It leaves the skin brighter, plump, and deeply hydrated. Making a pumpkin mask at home is best because everything is fresh and these compounds are more active. I start with a heaping spoonful of pumpkin puree. And to this, I'm adding a little yogurt, which has lactic acid for additional exfoliation, and a little honey because it's soothing. Finally, I put in a few drops of oil. I'm using a rosehip seed facial oil, but you can use whatever you have. I mean, even coconut oil is fine. You just need it for moisture. Once everything is mixed, it's ready to be applied to the face or neck, as I'm doing today. Apply with fingertips to cover the area. I'll save the rest of this to use on my face tonight. This mask is very refreshing. It's also very active and you might feel it tingling, so although you can leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes, you may want to start slow. It will dry on the skin. And when it's ready, remove it with a warm washcloth and apply your favorite moisturizer. I'm using the Opulence moisturizer from Eyelet, which is very rich. Then I'm applying the Defense Patrol oil to lock in the moisture all day. And yeah, I decided to give myself a little massage too. Now don't try this unless you really want a treatment that's going to do something. And if you want to see what other things I'm doing as part of my maintenance routine, check above in the cards, and I'll also leave a link to that video below. So my final thoughts are, yes, I would definitely do this again. This whole experience has really made me value professional treatments that are designed to really penetrate deep into the skin and make substantial changes. Creams and serums are, while important, for me now take a more supportive role to really support and enhance the performance of the procedures that you want to have done. And yes, it's important to embrace the aging process because really, what is our choice? Come on. Aging is a privilege, and it's a journey that leaves us with a large reservoir of wisdom and knowledge that we can share with others. And I am so grateful to have been gifted with this journey. But having said that, if there's something that you want to change, then change it. Life is too short to have your confidence take a hit every time you look in a mirror, especially when there are so many ways that we can change things that we don't like, invasive to non-invasive. Laser, light therapy, radio frequency, microneedling, Botox, oxygen facials, from the least invasive all the way up to plastic surgery. So the message that I want to leave you with today is that yes, I want us all to age gracefully healthily, and well. So I thank you all for watching, and if you've had any experience with Pelleve or any other treatment that you've done or have considered doing, then leave your thoughts in the comments below and let's have a little discussion. Because we want to support each other, and hopefully we can all learn from each other and maybe understand one another just a little bit better. So on that note, I'm gonna say bye for now and wish you a wonderful day, a wonderful week. I want you to take good care of yourselves, and I will talk to you again very, very soon. Bye!